In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay an NYC ticket without a ticket number. If you've misplaced the ticket or can't find the violation number, don't worry. You can still look up the ticket and pay it using your vehicle information through the official New York City system. Start by going to the official NYC parking or camera tickets page on nyc.gov. This is the safest place to handle ticket searches and payments, since it connects directly to the city's Department of Finance tools. Once you're there, look for the option to search using your license plate. Instead of entering a ticket number, you'll enter your license plate number, the state where the plate was issued, and your plate type. After submitting that information, the system can show you any open violations connected to that vehicle. This is the key step if your ticket number is missing, because it lets you retrieve the violation details you need before making a payment. If you prefer using your phone, you can also download the NYC Pay or Dispute app. The app gives you another convenient way to search for tickets by license plate, and it can also store your vehicle information to make future searches faster. That's especially helpful if you manage more than one vehicle or want an easier mobile option. After you've pulled up the violation number, the next step is choosing how you want to pay. If you're paying online, you can use the city's payment system for parking tickets. Payment options typically include electronic check, which usually has no fee, as well as credit or debit card, PayPal, or Venmo, which may include a service fee. Be sure to review the final total before submitting so you know exactly what you're being charged. If you're using the mobile app, you can also pay directly there. In most cases, the app allows payment by e-check with no fee or by debit or credit card. This is a good choice if you want a quick and simple checkout process from your phone. If you'd rather pay by mail, you can do that too. Once you've looked up the violation number online, write both your license plate number and the violation number on your check or money order. Then mail it to the NYC Department of Finance payment address listed on the official site. Make sure the information is written clearly so your payment can be matched correctly. And that's how to pay an NYC ticket even if you don't have the ticket number.